Hello, Namaste, welcome to Nidhi Sanskrit study. Today I am commencing a new chapter, grammar chapter called Samasa. Since some students requested me, they have sent me email requesting for the explanation of Samasa. I am starting this chapter. And I will be explaining the samasas in such a way that it becomes very easy for you to understand the concept. And also, if any samasa word is given, you can easily make the vigraha vakya. And vigraha vakyas are given, you can easily make the samasa also. Only thing is, you have to listen to this, listen to the explanation, watch it carefully, understand each and every concept, every sentence, then only it becomes easy for you. Because Samasa is supposed to be one of the tough chapters in grammar, for which you have to know all the shabdas, Shabda Rupani, if you know well, then only you can make different Samasa. Samasa is called as the compound. Now let us start it. But before that, I request all of you who are watching the videos, explanations, please subscribe the channel. So that's my humble request. Now let us begin the explanation. Samasaha. Now let me explain these lines, then I'll be going in detail with each and every word and sentence. Shrutihi. Aham dinam dinam vidyayaha alayam samayam anatikramya gacchami. Here there is a printed error. It should be dinam dinam. Aham dinam dinam vidyayaha alayam samayam anatikramya gacchami. There are three different words which are split here according to the vibhaktis. Dinam dinam is one word. Vidyayaha alayam is one word. Samayam anatikramya are two different words which becomes one word later. Gacchami. You just observe the second line. Anukritihi aham api pratidinam vidyalayam yatha samayam gacchami. Now here dinam dinam is changed to pratidinam. Vidyayaha alayam has been changed to vidyalayam. Samayam anatikramya got changed to yatha samayam. So the same pratidinam can be written as dinam dinam. Vidyalayam can be written as vidyayaha alayam. Yatha samayam can be written as samayam anatikramya. Now, if you split the word, write it according to vibhaktis, we call it as vigraha vakya. So dinam dinam is the vigraha vakya of the samasa pratidinam. Vidyayaha alayam is the vigraha vakya of the samasa vidyalayam. Samayam anatikramya is the vigraha vakya of the samasa yatha samayam. So pratidinam, vidyalayam, yatha samayam are called as the samasa words. Dinam dinam, vidyayaha alayam, samayam anatikramya are called as vigraha vakyas, which means the samasa is split into vigraha vakya or expounded into vigraha vakya. Now, what is the difference between the samasa and the vigraha vakya? Samasa is brief. Vigraha vakya is in detail. That's it. You are adding vibhaktis here. According to meaning, vibhaktis are added in vigraha vakya and it is split according to the meaning. So this becomes lengthy. Combine it together to make one word, it becomes samasa. So samasaha Ityatra Sankshepaha ityarthaha. Sankshepaha means a brief, like a formula, combined formula. For example, a plus b whole square is one formula. So dinam pratidinam is like one formula. If you split that a square plus 2ab plus b square, we make it no in mathematics like that. Pratidinam is split like this. Vidyalayam is split like this. Yatha Samayam is split like this. So, I hope you understood the difference between Samasa and Vigrahavakya. Vigrahavakya is brief, very short. Samasa is short, which is combined. Vigrahavakya is split into detailed meaning. Now, for example, Vidyayaha Alayam. Education, the place where education is given. So Vidyayaha Alayam, Shashti Vibhakti is here. But Vidyalayam, there is no Vibhakti at all. Yatha Samayam, there is no Vibhakti at all. Samayam, Anatikramya, Vibhaktis are there. Here also Vibhakti is there. Now, let us see the difference between Sandhi and Samasa. Many students, they do not know the difference between Sandhi and Samasa, because in both the words we are splitting the word. Then what is the difference between Samasa and Sandhi? Some students, they think if we put plus mark in between two different words, that is Sandhi. No, that is wrong. In Samasa, when we split the word, we add the Vibhakti. This is very important. Please listen to it carefully. When we split a Samasa, we add the Vibhakti. For example, I'll give you one general example. Devasya Alayam, Devalayam. Devasya we make. Devasya, here again Shashti Vibhakti we add. Every Samasa is split according to its meaning only, adding Vibhaktis. Devasya Alayam, Devalayam. But take the example of Sandhi. Deva plus Alayam, Devalayam. Rama plus Alayam, Ramalayam. Arunasya Udayaha, Arunodayaha. But in Sandhi, Aruna plus Udaya, Arunodaya. That is Guna Sandhi. So there is no Vibhakti added in Sandhi. We just put a plus mark, of course. There is no Vibhakti added. But in Samasa, Vibhakti must be added according to the meaning of that particular word. So, of course, grammar has got different rules, but this is the major difference in Samasa and Vigrahavakya. Samasa is the brief word, whereas when we expound the Samasa or the compound, we split that word according to Vibhakti only. Vidyayaha Alayam, Shalayaha Samipam, like this. So different samasas are there, but this is a major difference between samasa and sandhi. Now let us go in detail with the samasa words. So pratidinam, vidyalayam, yatha samayam are the samasas. These are the vigraha vakyas. Next one. Shrutihi. Kim tvam janasi yed vasudevasya sutaha kaha asit. Look here, Vasudevasya Sutaha, Shashti Vibhakti of Vasudeva word is here, Vasudevasya. Like Ramasya Ramayoho Ramanam, Vasudevasya Sutaha, Vasudeva's son. Shashti Vibhakti is added. Anukritihi, Janami, Vasudeva Sutaha Shri Krishnaha Asid. Here, this is a Samasa, because they have combined two words here, Vasudevasya Sutaha. The Shashti Vibhakti is also there in the first word, Sutaha is Prathama Vibhakti word. So Vasudeva Sutaha, they have combined these two words according to meaning. They have made it brief or they have made it short. So Vasudeva Sutaha is Vigraha Vakya. Vasudevasya sutaha, sorry, Vasudeva sutaha is Samasaha. Vasudevasya sutaha is Vigraha Vakya. Usually first they will give Samasa, then they will give Vigraha Vakya. But here first they have given Vigraha Vakya and then they have made it into Samasa. I repeat it. Prithak, prithak means different. Words here are different. Vasudevasya is one word. Sutaha is one word. Two different words are there according to Vibhakti. Vasudevasya sutaha means Vasudeva's son. This is Vigraha Vakya. Now, in the second line, the same word has been converted into one word. You just see here, there is no different words. It is only one word, Vasudeva Sutaha. Don't split it in between. It is one word, Vasudeva Sutaha, made short. This is Vigraha Vakya. So, whenever such words are given, you have to follow the same format. This is called Tatpurusha Samasa, which we are going to study later. Shrutihi Mahyam Pitaha Varnaha Rochate Saha Api Pitam Ambaram Dharayati Sma. Pitam Ambaram, yellow cloth, yellow silk cloth. Pitam Ambaram. Now, two words are there. Now, in the next line, see how the word gets transformed into one word. It is combined into one word. Satyam vadasi saha pitambaram dharayati sma. Pitambaram. So, how to split the word if it is given? Shvetambaram, shvetam ambaram, shvetambaram, pitam ambaram, pitambaram. Follow the same format. Pitambaram dharayati sma. Ataha saha pitambaraha iti namna api prasiddhaha. Next. Krishnaha cha Balaramaha cha Yamunayah tate kridatah sma. There are two words here. Krishnaha cha Balaramaha cha. Krishna as well as Balarama. Yamuna Yaha Tate. Yamuna Yaha Tate. Again, Yamuna Yaha is also Shashti Vibhakti word only on the banks of Yamuna river. See how these two words get changed here. Shrutihi Maya api paditam yet Krishna Balaramau Yamuna Tate. So, Krishnaha cha Balaramaha cha is the Vigraha Vakya of the word Krishna Balaramau. So, Krishna is one word, Balarama is another word. Same format you have to follow if two different names are given. For example, Ramaha cha Krishnaha cha, Rama Krishnau. Bharataha cha Lakshmanaha cha, Bharata Lakshmanau. Lavaha cha Kushaha cha, Lava Kushau. Like that. Yamunayaha tate. Yamuna is Striling. Gangayaha tate, Ganga tate. So like the same format can be easily followed to make different Samasa words. So here also it is Shashti Vibhakti. The words are split in Shashti Vibhakti here. And two different names with Prathama Vibhakti words are there. Now they are changed to Krishna Balaramau. Yamuna Tate Kridatah Sma. I think now easily you can understand the difference between Samasa and then Vigraha Vakya. These are the Vigraha Vakyas. These two are Samasa because they're combined together as one word. Krishna, Balarama, Cha, these are dropped. Cha is dropped in between. And then Vibhaktis are also dropped. Everything is combined into one word, Krishna Balaramo. Yamuna Yahatate, the Shashti Vibhakti is dropped here, together combined to make Yamuna Tate, Kridataha Sma. So, I repeat, in Samasa, always Vibhakti is added. If we split the word according to vibhakti based on the meaning of that particular word, we call it as vigraha vakya. If we combine the word together, dropping all the vibhaktis, if it is made into one word, we call it as samasa. Now, the difference between samasa and sandhi is that in sandhi, vibhakti is never added, only two words are split. But in samasa and vigrahavakya, always the words are split along with the vibhaktis. So that is the major difference between sandhi and samasa. These are the different examples given to make you understand the difference between vigrahavakya and samasa. Now, Shrutihi. Maya api patitam yat Krishna Balaramo Yamunatate Kridataha Sma. Now, since Krishna Balaramo are given, here Sma Prayoga is made. उपरि लिखितेषु संवादवाक्येषु श्रुतिः यानि वाक्यानि वदति तेषु रेखाङ्कितपदानि पृथक् पृथक् सन्ति परन्तु अनुकृतिः यानि वाक्यानि वदति तेषु वाक्यानि तानि एव रेखाङ्कितपदानि समस्तरूपेण योजयित्वा प्रदर्शितानि. So the meaning is, in all the sentences which Shruti says, here Shruti is a name. Wherever Shruti says, all the vakyas are split according to vibhaktis. They are called as vigraha vakyas. And wherever Anukriti says, all the words are combined together and they are made short. So they are called as samasa. Samasta Sankshipta. Sankshipta means very brief. Pradarshitani santi. So, yatha shabdanam prutak prutak lekhanam vigrahah katyate tataiva samasta rupena va lekhanam samasaha iti katyate. Pruthak pruthak lekhanam means separately. If the words are written separately like this with vibhaktis, we call it as vigraha vakya. If we combine it together, make it short, we call it as samasa. So samasa means samasta pada. So the same thing is given here. Valekhanam samasaha iti kathyate. Now, they have given samasanam vibhajanam mukhyatah chaturda bhavati. There are four kinds of samasas. This is the major division of samasa. First is avyayeebhava. Second is tatpurusha. Third one is dvandva. Fourth one is bahurvihi. Avyayeebhavaha. Karmadaraha dvigu cheti tatpurusha samasasya eva dvau vedau staha. There are other two samasa also, karmadharaya and dvigu. They form the subdivisions of Tatpurusha Samasa. Since they are the subdivisions of Tatpurusha Samasa, they are not given the other extra numbers as 5 and 6. Okay, now I repeat it. Samasas are mainly divided into four types. They are Avyayeebhava, Tatpurusha, Dvandva, Bahurvihi. These are the four types. Tatpurusha and Karmadharaya and Dvigu Samasa are the subdivisions of Tatpurusha Samasa, hence they are not given the separate number. They come under Tatpurusha only. So now, first we are going to study about Avyayeebhava Samasa. So this Avyayeebhava Samasa is very easy to understand because avyayas will be there in the samasa or upasarga will be there. Now let us study. Prayaha janaha pratyaksham eva satyam svikurvanti. Pratyaksham is avyayeebhava samasa. Tasmin vidyalaye प्रतिमासं परीक्षाः भवन्ति. प्रतिमासं, prati, here prati are used here. प्रतिमासं परीक्षाः भवन्ति. छात्राः यथामति अध्ययनं कुर्वन्ति. यथामति is also avyayeebhava samasa. हरिद्वारे उपगंगम अनेके देवालयाः सन्ति. Upagangam is also avyayeebhava samasa. Upa is the upasarga is here. Upasarga here. Yatha is the avyaya here. Prati is also upasarga. Next one. उल्लिखित वाक्येषु रेखांकित पदेषु चतस्र विशेषताः सन्ति. In all the avyayeebhava samasa, these are the specifications. These points will be there always. Sarveshu padeshu prathama purvapadam avyayam upasargo va asti. The first word will be either avyaya or upasarga. So the first word in avyayeebhava samasa has to be avyaya or upasarga. As I told you, yatha rupam, yatha vidhi, pratyaksham, upagangam, etc. Next, sarvani padani napumsakalinge santi. All the words, it will not be in masculine gender or feminine gender. This you have to understand because questions will be based on this also. It will be in napumsakalinga. Sarvesham padanam prayogaha avyayavat bhavati. And all the entire word becomes one. It will be in the form of avyaya. एतेषु समस्तपदेषु पूर्वपदं प्रधानम् अस्ति यतो हि वाक्येषु क्रियापदानि प्रथमपूर्वपदस्य अनुसारम् अर्थं बोधयन्ति. In this avyayeebhava samasa, purvapada, that is the first word, is important. So we say purvapada pradhanartha avyayeebhava samasa. Sarvada napumsakalinge tishtati. The whole word will be in napumsakalinga. So these are the things which you have to understand. Sometimes it will be asked for multiple choice questions. First word will be avyaya or upasarga. All the words will be in napumsakalinga. When the samasa is formed, it looks like avyaya. And then the first word is important here. Savastapadeshu purvapadam pradhanam asti. First word is important in avyayeebhava samasa. So each samasa will have one sutra. Anya padartha pradhanaha bahurvihi. Purva padartha pradhanaha avyayeebhavaha. Like this for each uttara padartha pradhanaha tad purushaha. So every samasa will have one sutra. Here we are moving to the explanation part. Evam avyayeebhava samasam spashta rupena vignaya asya itarani udaharanani drashtavyani. Now they have given samastapadam. Samastapadam means samasa. Samasa, this is samasa, this is vigraha vakya. Now let me tell you, you have to follow this format when such a compound is given, such a samasa is given. For example, yathamati. Matim anatikramya yathamati. Matim anatikramya yathamati. Whenever yatha comes, take the word in napumsakalinga format and add anatikramya. For example, yathavidhi, vidhim, anatikramya yathavidhi. This is the format which you have to follow. It's very simple. Yathariti. Suppose the word given is yathariti. Ritim anatikramya. Yathariti. If you just follow one word format, it becomes very easy for you to make any number of samasa. Anugunam. Here, look at the word anu. Gunam. Gunanam anurupam. Gunanam. This is the format which you have to follow. Or you can write this form in other way also. Gunasya yogyam anugunam. Rupasya yogyam anurupam. Even in that way also you can write. Nirbhadam. Badanam abhavaha. Abhavaha means no, without or devoid of scarcity. Nirbhadam. Badhanam abhavaha. Badha means pains, troubles, sorrows. In any meaning you can take badha. Now, badhanam abhavaha, without troubles. Abhavaha means without. Now, nirjalam. Jalasya abhavaha. Nirjalam. One format, if you take, it is same for other words also. Nirvignam. Vignanam abhavaha or vignasya abhavaha, without obstacles or no obstacles. Nirvignam. See, this is nir. There is, in the word nirbadam, there is upasarga nir. Anu also is upasarga. Yatha is avyaya. So, there are 22 upasargas. Nir, nis, dur, dus, all those comes under upasarga. Anu, ava, prati, etc. So, anu is also upasarga. Gunanam anurupam. Nir is also upasarga. Nirbhadam. Badanam abhavaha. Anu is also upasarga again. Whenever anu comes, it is used in two different ways. Ratasya paschat anuratham. Based on the meaning, you have to split the word. Ratasya paschat. Paschat means behind. Behind the chariot. Whenever you have to split the word in the meaning of behind, then you have to put the word paschat. Whenever you are using the word deserving, in such a meaning you have to use Rupasya yogyam anurupam, gunasya yogyam anugunam. In that way you can split. Vignanam abhavaha nirvignam. Jalasya abhavaha nirjalam. Next one. Pratimasam. Whenever prati is used in a compound, just repeat the words twice and add iti. That's it. Masam masam pratimasam. Dinam dinam pratidinam. Varsham varsham prativarsham. So dinam dinam, even that is written as dine dine pratidinam also. Masam masam pratimasam. Varsham varsham prativarsham. Kshanam kshanam pratikshanam. So format is same. Pratimasam. One take one format with prati. Repeat the word twice. Take one format of nir. Add abhavaha. All words are written in the same format. Whenever it is used in the sense of behind, then use the word paschat. Next one. Upaguru. Guroho samipam. Now, upa means near. Guroho samipam upaguru. Near guru. Near. Suppose you have to say Upashala, near the school. Shalayaha samipam upashala. Take the Shashti vibhakti of that particular word. Gangayaha samipam upaganga. Okay. So upa is used in the meaning of samipam. So you have to understand the word upa. Upa means near. How to split that word? Take the correct vibhakti of that particular word, then add samipam. That's it. Adhihari, harau iti. Now, adhi is used in the sense of in Hari, in Indra, in Krishna, in that sense. In Vaikuntha, Vaikuntha iti adhi Vaikuntham. Adhihari, harau iti adhi. So, adhi is used in, that means Saptami Vibhakti of that particular word has to be taken and iti should be added. That's it. Adhihari. Vishnu iti adhi Vishnu. Vishnu iti adhi Vishnu. Next one. Saparivaram. Sa means along with. Don't put sa with two dots. That is saha, means pronoun, it is he. You have to write sa and ha. So note the difference here. Saha means along with. Sa parivaram. Parivaram means family. Parivarena saha means along with the family. Sasneham. Sasneham. Such word is also used here. Next one. Sakutumbam. Kutumbena saha. Mitra, samitram, saputram. So many words you can use with sa. Means you have to put saha here. Putrena saha, saputram. So saha means along with. Format is same. Now, pratidinam. Dine dine pratidinam. Dine dine pratidinam. So pratimasam, pratidinam, both are same example. Dine dine pratidinam, masam masam pratimasam, varsham varsham prativarsham, kshanam kshanam pratikshanam, like that. So understand one format of the word, write it in the same way. Any number of words can be written. For example, whenever yatha, you have to use anatikramya. Matim, take the second word, matim anatikramya yathamati. Anugunam, gunanam anurupam anugunam. Whenever anu comes, gunanam anurupam. Badhanam abhavaha nirbadam. I have told you other examples also. Nir is the upasarga here. Anu is the upasarga. Again, nir is the upasarga where you have to use abhavaha. Prati is also upasarga. Upa is also upasarga. Then adhi, avyaya, then sa, used in the meaning of saha. Upasarga. Prati is also upasarga. So this is the format which you have to follow. Here let us take one example here. Nirmalam. They have used the word nir here. Now, malasya abhavaha. Abhavaha you have to write, which I explained now. Malasya abhavaha nirmalam. Ekam ekam. Words are repeated twice. Pratyekam. Ekam ekam pratyekam. Doshanam abhavaha. Abhavaha means scarcity. Dosha, whenever abhavaha comes, nir, you have to use nirdosham. Sa is used here. Whenever sa is used, saha, you have to use vyavadhanena saha savyavadhanam. Arthasya abhavaha nirarthakam. Chintayaha abhavaha. Meaning of abhava is used here. Scarcity. Chinta, no worry at all. That means nischinta. Snehena sahitam sasneham. Snehena sahitam sasneham. Samayam anatikramya yatha samayam. Anatikramya comes whenever yatha comes. Anatikramya samayam. Samayam anatikramya, without exceeding the timings. That is yatha samayam, as per the timings. That is the meaning. Now, Gangayaha samipam. Upaganga. So, whenever upa comes, the meaning of that word is samipam. So, I told you already in the previous example, upa comes means you should add samipam. So, here Ganga, near Ganga they have taken. So, upaganga. Saharsham. Whenever sa comes, you have to add saha. Harshena sahitam. Saharsham. With happiness. This is the meaning. So we have completed avyayeebhava samasa. If you have any doubts, you can put it in the comment section. I will be looking into that and I will be clearing your doubts. Thank you very much for watching this video. It will be very, very helpful to you to understand the concept, and it will help you to write any kind of samasa related to avyayeebhava. Thank you once again. I request you all to subscribe the channel, like and share it also. Thank you once again.